Hello everybody, my name is Matt and this is Real World Review. Today we will be replacing the back panel on the Samsung S9. First thing we want to do is power off the device as usual and grab some tools. For this we will need a razor blade, playing card, and heat. First thing we want to do is heat up the four edges and get ready to insert a blade in the side. I recommend starting at the bottom, but if you've opened up the S8 or the Note 8 you should already know where you should start. What I want to do is lift up the back just enough so I can get a card under the glass. Then we will use this to cut through the adhesive, adding heat when needed. The fingerprint scanner plugs in where the camera flash is, so be careful over there and make sure not to rip off the back. In my situation, the fingerprint scanner cable unplugged when I moved it too much, but what you need to do is lift up this plug, preferably on the top of it rather than on the bottom near the cable. Once that is unplugged, the back is free. In this case, I will be reusing the back, so I will need to clean up the adhesive on the phone and leave the one on the back. Sometimes new backs come with the adhesive, but if yours doesn't, just apply double-sided adhesive on the parts that are white. Once that's done, you want to plug in the fingerprint scanner cable however you can. It is a very awkward cable assembly. Once that's plugged in, push down on the back to get the adhesive to stick. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below or on Twitter at MattofRWR, and feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. If you like reviews and repairs, subscribe to my channel. Every sub helps. Thanks for watching.